Hello, my name is Craig Jones. I'm the owner and president of Epoxy-Coat. We're the manufacturer and installer of high-performance epoxy coatings throughout the United States on companies like NASA, Boeing, and General Motors. It was always my intention to take this high-performance product and present it in a do-it-yourself kit so that people can enjoy the benefits that all the big companies throughout the country enjoy. We're going to look at a competitor's product at the home of Greg and Karen.
Okay, Craig, this is what we got.
Sure.
I stayed off it. He said stay off it for 3 days and stayed off it for a week. Second or third time apart, this is what started happening.
Sure. All right, I'm sorry that this happened to you. I mean, it happens to a lot of people. They don't take the time to investigate. This is a cheaper epoxy. All epoxies aren't the same. Ours is 100% solid epoxy. That means if we apply it, none of it evaporates out of it, so it's a full chemical cross-linking cure. It's also a cycloaliphatic one, so it's more chemical resistant. We would never have these hot tire marks or the peeling that you've got going on. This is just a cheaper product. Sure,
So
it's
I gotta start over.
Unfortunately, you have to strip it down. If you want to do it right, you should strip this and start from the beginning. We can fix this. It's going to be much better. You're going to be a lot happier. I'm sorry you experienced this. Most people do experience it, unfortunately, because it's hard for them to take the time to really experience it and study it.
Well, thank you for your help. I appreciate it.
Absolutely. Greg, thank you so much.